guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's get the channel to 20,000 subscribers, and remember also leave a comment under this video, guys. Tomorrow we're celebrating Emancipation Day here in Jamaica, guys, and in tribute to that, this is why I'm doing this video, guys. We're going to be making traditional Jamaican peanut drops, right? So we have coconut drops. Now I'm going to show you guys how we make the peanut drops, or peanut cake, or yeah, anything you want to call it, guys, but it's with peanut and sugar. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Remember, guys, subscribe. We can't do anything without your subscription. So if you like the video, just leave a subscribe and hit that post notification bell so that you get notified as I post another video. Stay tuned. So yeah, guys, the first thing I go do to the peanut them, I go parch them or roast them, guys. So if we get off the shelling, we make the coconut drops, right? We don't make it with the red shelling span. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to hit that post notification bell and subscribe, guys. We're near to 20,000 subscribers, so subscribe. So yeah, guys, the pot we are going to use for patch. Then I think that we are going to use to spice up. So stay tuned, guys.
I'm going to ask you 5 questions in 20 seconds. If you can't think of something, you just say pass. If we got time, we'll get back to it. But if you and Mike are together, come over 200 points, look right.
Hey guys, now put in the patch of this something there.
Something you'd be shocked the doctor was afraid of. You said fetal. Survey said.
I'm going to store my pot. I'll store my pot, guys. And something inside still off. And I'll say, yeah, everybody ready. Yeah, guys, I'm have a patch. I want to see it.
Celestial dragon so much he gave up the highest positions in the Navy just to eat. He was an admiral in all but title. The man rivaled Roger himself. That alone says everything. Next,
Let me stir them, guys. Let me stir them. Everybody has it. Somebody I'm coming around and I didn't burn, so that's it. Yeah. Stir and then never leave it. Never leave them in the bowl. 5 minutes without stir. And then we stir them.
and finally, some fans even think conflict rivals if that's true, might be
Guys, when you go make the coconut, the peanut drops, we now go put no salt on the peanut, but I go take it. I go take away everything so that we can see. That's not going on it. One time I buy one and salt. You don't have to say somebody salt. Never nice. So salt me I eat straight. No, but that's it. I'm going to clean.
How are you, friend? I'm great. How are you? Good, good. What do you do? I'm in social media marketing. You run the same agency. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good.
Yes, me have to use my hand. Guys, me I go shell them off. The artina, but I go use the something and shell them off. My son come with that sleep. I have to use it. What's up with it? Everything shell off. And I know when me I go done shell off, you know there. Because my mother go help me with shell off for my day. Let me just get on the paper. Don't be a jerk. More it that way. Yes, I will.
It have a smart pan apart and cover the pan.
This one is not cleanest one never make.
The peanut tastes good. Just take another good. You know something I sell like hot bread in? There's people when you buy them, carry them out the road, go sell them. They never ever sell. They never ever sell them with me sitting with them. Don't be a jerk.
As much again. Panic around the table.
It's Christmas.
See them, they take them.
Then them they're good. And then they are going they're good. You take them up. No put them in there, say no. They want them in them.
You never put them in there. Now, if you eat them, you put none of them in there.
Don't be a jerk. It's Christmas.
The peanut didn't taste nice. Peanut didn't taste nice.
Peanut no nice.
Because she almost burn them up. Because you know, say if she never come up the pot, you don't have such a problem. Because all you have to do is a shake and it will come off. But she soft not the sitting them.
The water no start boiling. No long time in the pan.
Are you put it on?
I think
So when you're in a problem with it, I boil for me.
no, I'm just saying.
Because you not put on no water.
I don't think they use they put this ginger pan them, yeah. Because I never eat anything besides ginger they pan it. And the coconut trash, the coconut drops. They taste sugar pan it. I put the peanut in. See how me something look, yeah? I go add in the sugar
When me know say water kind of dry out, I'm adding some sugar in it, guys. So stay tuned.
Oh, well, this guy made his mom mad again, and it's not the first time. But the moment his teammate launched that full court pass, he pulled off the one move she told him to stop doing. But hey, it was the perfect moment for some aura farming.
Sugar in there now. Don't make this sugar combine. If you need more sugar, I put it in. Just make that one see. So, yeah guys, me add in me sugar in me something, right? Because you know from your party, to my knowledge guys, because me never make coconut. Me never make the peanut drops before, right? But my knowledge from your party, all you have to do is just make it cook down in some sugar, right? So I have my vanilla extract. Make it focus, right? My vanilla extract, I will use to spice it up. I also have rose and almond, this island spice. I may also use it to something there. To spice it up. Smell nice. I think that was a pull. So I will get some in it and see what's up. I'll just spice it up. I will put some in it. I will spice up it. I might put a little bit more sugar.
They shot him in the leg. They started the battle cry. They started running out of the forest, and he knew he wasn't going to run fast enough to reach the river, so he told his wife, just run for it. She ran, jumped in the river, and just floated down the Amazon. He got ripped apart on the beach. And so when my guys showed up, they found him, blood all over the sand. And when they found his wife, she told them what happened. There's arrows all over the beach. Removed his testicles, they cut off his arms, and they'd opened his stomach to see what he was eating. If you ever hear animal sounds,
Yeah, go on somewhere else with that. No, go on somewhere else with all this stuff.
close to you, and then when you hear human sounds.
Happy people will see for protection. Protection from what? Spoilage. Why them? But me say guys, what do you me buy? What do you me buy? One tin bully beef. My gosh, me not get to enjoy the bully beef none at all. Because me feel jam in knife. The key go broke off. So I'll go with this. Now. Put a little more sugar. You put it on. After you make go so. It will come up to it. So. Come on. I will put some in there. I will bring up, make it have a nice smell. Yeah. I'll put a little bit more. Where the drink still in there? Put some more sugar. I can put too much sugar in there because if you put too much sugar in there, it's something there. So that go be the combine. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna make it cook. Make the sugar get to melt and get sticky, and put those peanuts together upon the weather. And then I'm gonna tell you the honest opinion of how it tastes. You know, so I'm gonna get me the banana leaf to drop them pan. Yeah, because them are go sticky. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for all the support, guys. Let's run up the channel. Let's get the channel to 20,000, and when we reach 20,000, we just run it up to 50 and run it up to 100. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's your girl Fanikia, and you are tuning into Fanika TV. Guys, may I go get another coat that's something. I'm gonna put it down. Banana leaf. Look at me can reach them. Hey guys, look at me. I'm gonna reach out. I'm gonna go check the next one. The next one, yeah, like for you, a little better. How you look for me? I look for me like me tell you to come on. No, you have to follow back at me. Let me make it drain. See? Let me go use it to sit there. I go use it to sit there. We'll go and wait for something for done cook. So I'm over this, over this. So I will drop them now, guys. They're ready, but I will drop them. What armpit over food? Your mosquito. I'm gonna have a little dark. I drop them quick, guys. I will cool. Oh, plenty is good, guys. Yes. Put up my table ready. I will show you them. yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you them as I'm gonna see how they look. For my first try. So let me see. You know look like the people they own. But so there you go.
So yeah guys, it's the end of another video. Thank you for watching. Comment and tell me what you think about my peanut drops, guys. They're a little darker than normal because me never get the shell off of everybody, right? But it smells good and it tastes really nice. So you know, in practice me will find out how to patch them without leaving the skin on none of them, right? So yeah guys, may I leave them for cool, and then may I put up some pictures of them for you guys to see them and just, you know, enjoy them. So I want to say happy Emancipation Day to everyone that is living in Jamaica. For all the Jamaicans that are not living in Jamaica, happy Emancipation Day. When it comes, that is tomorrow, August 1st. It's a national holiday for Jamaica where we celebrate the freedom of the black people from slavery. So yeah guys, let's do it. And tomorrow guys, I'm also gonna be dropping another video because I'm gonna be cooking. So I hope you guys press those post notification bells so that when I post a video, it just pop up on your YouTube and you don't miss a beat. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.